Hey, what's going on, you guys? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. And today I want to talk about the best niche for affiliate marketing for beginners specifically. Like, what is the best niche to go into if you're completely brand new online, if you're completely green? And this is a question I get asked quite a lot because people want to get online, they want to make money, but they really don't know what they're passionate about. And they're having to choose between making money and doing what they love, and if what they love will actually make them money. So I'm really excited to dive into this. If you're looking forward to the video, go ahead and give me a like. Obviously, it helps the YouTube algorithm and helps this video get more reach. Go ahead and also subscribe to the channel because I'm uploading videos very frequently teaching you how to build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. So what is the best affiliate marketing niche to go into as a beginner? I'm going to give you my opinion, but I want to give you a little bit of backstory here. So when I first got started in, the online marketing industry, in making money online, I went through numerous courses and blogs that said, go and do something that you're passionate about and learn how to make money from it. And I thought about, okay, what could I do? And I was about 20, 21 years old at the time. And I'm like, well, I know about, pitching. I was a pitcher in high school and in college. And I knew quite a bit about it. My parents invested a lot of money in my training and my growth. And I'm like, well, I can teach pitching. But the problem with that is I didn't feel like I had the skill set. Like I knew how to pitch, right? I did really well, but teaching other people was a whole entire different thing to master. And so not only that, I had to be willing to, get on video and do instruction. And I just didn't have the confidence at that point to really do it. And I didn't really know much about how to, create a product and get that product out there on the internet. And I couldn't find other affiliate products about pitching. And so I'm like, okay, well, I can't do that. The second problem was, is it really going to pay me what I'm worth? Am I going to be able to make the money that I want to make to live my dream life? And my dream life was to be able to travel the world, to be able to, invest my money into real estate and stocks and really diversify and become a millionaire. And I knew that I would probably become a millionaire at a much slower pace, teaching people how to pitch in terms of baseball versus, something else. I also had a conversation with my wife the other day, and she teaches people how to design cakes as a cake designer. Well, we did a lot of research and we went and looked at other people that were teaching how to design cakes, and we couldn't really see any ads on Facebook. We couldn't see any ads on Google. We couldn't really see any ads on YouTube, which means the perceived value of that specific trade, people weren't really willing to pay that much to learn it. And the people that were offering courses, they were like, in-house courses at grocery stores that were like, $30 for a session or $50 or maybe $100 for a session. So you could make that work, but you really have to focus on building a massive audience, because there's multiple ways to get to your dream goal, whether it's $10,000 a month, $100,000, $1 million. You can make more sales of a product that costs less or less sales of a product that costs more. So I asked her, I'm like, well, are you okay with not making a lot of money as long as you're doing what you love? And so answering this question, what's the best niche to go into as a beginner learning affiliate marketing? Like, what's the best affiliate marketing niche? It really depends. Are you willing to sacrifice money for what you love, or are you more interested in just making a lot of money? And if you're somebody that's interested in making a lot of money, what you want to do is you want to go into niches where the trend is going up. So you can go to like Google Trends, and for example, the make money online niche, how to make money online, it continues to go up. More and more people want to learn to work from home and want to learn how to make money online. And so that's when I finally had my breakthrough, was this is something that I could become passionate about too, is teaching people how to travel the world, work from their laptop, and really enjoy more time freedom with the people that they love. And so the cool thing about the make money online niche is you can make money while you're learning. Whereas with any other niche, it can be somewhat more difficult to do that because you're having to learn marketing and you're also having to learn the specific trade itself. Where with the make money online niche, you can teach people how to make money online while actually learning how to make money online. For example, right, if you want to build an online business, regardless of what niche it is, you need what's called an autoresponder. You need to capture names and email addresses. So you're going to go to YouTube and you're going to Google that, or you're going to go to YouTube or Google and you're going to search that, and you're going to figure it out, right? You're going to watch a tutorial that's going to teach you how to do that. Well, now what you could do is you could take that tutorial, take what you learned, put it in your own words, and teach other people. And then have like a link in the description of your YouTube video or of your blog, leading people to an autoresponder service that you can then earn an affiliate commission off of. And the cool thing about the how to make money online niche, the perceived value of digital education in the education industry is very, very high. Like people go to college and spend like $40,000 per semester, some people, to learn a trade or supposedly learn a trade that will be obsolete, or they'll pay the money and they really won't get the training that that's of value and of quality. And so the perceived value of education, whether it be education and to become a lawyer, education to become to go into medicine, education to learn marketing, especially online marketing education right now, the perceived value is so high because, once again, with everything that's going on in the world right now, more and more people are working from home, and more people are finally realizing the power of the internet and how you can use it to build your business online and generate passive income. So to be able to teach people how to do things like make money online through YouTube videos, or make money online through affiliate marketing, make money online through buying and flipping websites, anything that has to do with how to make money online, you can go into that specific affiliate marketing niche, sell affiliate products within the make money online niche, and do very, very well. For example, if you go to a website known as clickbank.com and you go to the marketplace, this is a digital marketplace, affiliate marketplace where you can sell digital products, and you scroll down and you go to e-business and e-marketing, these are all the different products in the make money online niche. And you can see the cost, the earnings, in other words, of what you're able to earn on some of these products. And you're able to earn, $100, $200, $300, $500 plus dollars. You can even earn up to like $15,000 per sell, promoting how to make money online products, promoting digital marketing education that teach people how to make money online and build their business on the internet. Where else are you able to do that? If you go in the health niche, if you're passionate about it, great, go into it. That's another niche where you can, or market, I should say. Specifically, like a niche is within a market. So weight loss is part of the health market. A lot of people are looking to lose weight. A lot of people are within the health market, looking to, build muscle, lose weight, get rid of reverse diabetes. And so that could be multiple niches that you can go into, but you're not going to, unless you're some sort of consultant, then as an affiliate marketer, you're not really going to make the money that you could make being in a niche like the make money online niche and the digital marketing education niche. Not to mention all the tools that you can promote, like ClickFunnels, Kartra, ClickMagic, and other, business opportunities that really will pay you for the time that you put in and really pay you what you're worth. So most importantly, with the Make Money Online niche, you can put in small amounts of work that give you a great output. So when you're promoting a product that you know is going to make you $5,000, and you know that you can make a YouTube video or make a blog post or make a social media post that can potentially make you that much money, then you're more than willing to do the work. And you know that that work is going to pay you what you're worth. Versus promoting something that will give you like a $30 commission, you might spend a lot of time uploading videos, doing blog posts to make very, very little because the payout is very, very little. So if you really want time freedom, it's all about going into niche markets and doing work that will create big results for you. So that's why I choose the Make Money Online niche as a beginner. And if you want to learn more about how you can leverage a proven system to go into the Make Money Online niche and really crush it as a beginner, there's a link in the description below. I want to invite you to check that out. If you got value from this video, please give me a like once again if you haven't already, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to tick that bell icon because you'll be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. Obviously, I teach you a lot about affiliate marketing. We do product reviews and really anything that's going to help you financially get closer to your goals and receive overall financial fulfillment and independence within your life. So without further ado, click the link below in the resources section for a little bit more information, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.